Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Pay for Quotex withdrawals. First, ensure your Quotex account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for all withdrawals. Remember, you must use the same method for withdrawal as you did for deposit. So, if you deposited with Binance Pay, you must withdraw with it. Have your Binance account details and Pay PIN ready. The minimum withdrawal amount is typically $10. Now, let's initiate the withdrawal. Log into your Quotex account and find the withdrawal section, usually located in your profile or dashboard. From the available options, select Binance Pay as your withdrawal method. Carefully enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind that the minimum withdrawal for cryptocurrencies is often $50. Always double-check the amount and all other details before moving forward. Security is paramount for your funds. After submitting your request on Quotex, you will receive a confirmation code to your registered email address. Enter this code back on the Quotex platform to verify your withdrawal. For the final step, you will need to input your Binance Pay PIN to authorize the transaction. If you are withdrawing a stablecoin like UST, confirm you have selected the correct network, such as TRC20 or BEP20. Once your request is confirmed, Quotex typically processes withdrawals within 24 hours. For crypto methods like Binance Pay, funds often arrive in your Binance account much faster, usually within minutes to 8 hours. Keep an eye on your Binance wallet for the incoming transaction. If you experience any significant delays, such as not receiving your funds after 3 business days, reach out to Quotex customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.